Hello, introducing myself. My name is Adityan Ananta Mahdi. I am from Nautical Level 2.
My name is Muhammad. My mother is Nautical level 2. Hey bro,
Hey,
what happened?
my handphone is so slow.
Boy, anyone?
I would if I had the money.
Well, is it slow?
That's a good question.
Did you take a habit shop?
I would if I had the money.
Will the guest have to left with it?
Sometimes I want to throw out the window.
You don't know what to do that?
Why not?
You have to hit the right in the hand.
Hey bro,
Hey,
what's happening?
my handphone is slow.
Buy a new one.
I going to have hand the money.
Why is it too slow?
That's I got the question.
Do you take it to a handphone shop?
I want to hand the money.
Well, I guess you have to live with it.
Sometime I wait till tomorrow out the window.
You don't want to do that.
Why not?
You might hit someone in the head.